room shift shape. Step in, room shift shape. Go down your skin, no need for a cape. You move so clean, make bad mind choke. One look from you and the whole place broke. Hey, on flick, feet on fire. Every little waistline, take me away. You and your friends too fresh, too rude. Tell them clear, that's a pretty cool. Wind it forward and speed it up. Left, right, baby, tear it up. Hands in the air, let them see that glow. Everybody know, everybody know. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Turn no place brand new. Pretty cool, pretty cool. How you move, how you pretty cool, pretty cool. Every eye in the room, how you pretty cool, pretty cool. Say the name, say it, you pretty cool. From the island side to the mainland vibe, you carry that fire in your sweet and light. Love screen, can you tell place? We're outside, you make us jump and you should not smile. A little smile and I lose my look. Come closer now, let me show you out in the place all around. When your baseline bow, we don't need stress. Only that flex, hands up high, then drop below, yes. Boom, boom, paradise, nice, boom, boom, paradise.
Yo, welcome to MixLab with Luka, where DJ skills get real simple. A lot of you have been asking, Luka, how do you scratch and mix so fast with just a keyboard? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. We're going beyond just sharing files. I'm teaching you how to build your own professional workflow from scratch. No controller? No problem. Let's dive in. First, hit the gear icon in the top right. Head to Controllers. You'll see Keyboard at the top. This is your canvas. Pro tip: if the text is hard to see on your screen, I've zoomed in here so you can follow every click. The most important key in your setup is the deck switch. We're using the Tab key. In the key column, press Tab. In Action, type Deck 1 select and Deck 2 select. Actually, an even better command is Cycle Deck. Now, one tap of Tab jumps between Deck A and B. This foundation makes every other key we map twice as powerful. Now, for the must-haves, transport controls. We want these to feel natural. Spacebar for play/pause. Type play_pause in the action. It's the biggest key on your board. It should be your main action. C for cue. Type Q_stop. This lets you stutter your start points just like a real controller. S for sync. Type sync. Even if you're a purist, having a quick sync button on a laptop is a lifesaver when things get hectic. To really level up, let's map some movement. Try mapping the up/down arrows to your filter. Action. Filter +10% and filter -10%. Now you can do those smooth sweeps while your other hand is triggering cues. The best part about custom mapping, if it doesn't feel right, change it. Go test these out and let me know in the comments which key you're struggling to map. I'll be down there helping you out. Don't forget to like if this helped you stay gear-free and keep mixing.
Reggae on the edge with a reggaeton sway. Sun come down but we never fade away. You got that walk, make the whole crowd stare. Every step hit all like a drum in the air. Inna the middle, we not play shy. You give me that look, I know what you buy. Hot like mango with a little bit of spice. One night here, feel like paradise. Come close on your waist and it's not to go. Every man around but you already know. You move like a wave when the bassline roll. One on high, 1 foot slide. Pretty girl move with a rude boy pride. Just smile one time, be hard misbehave. When you bend low, everybody get brave. Come close, no hold back. Your body talk, me hear that. Spin slow, then you drop low. Show them how the girl them go.